Hola, señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. Today, the first thing you're going to do is in your actividad inicial, that I hope you do in the first 5 minutes, you're going to open this discussion and answer the question. Do you know any countries where people speak Spanish as their first language? Think about it. In the comments, type 2 countries where people speak Spanish as their first language. So you're going to click here, and if you remember 2 countries where people speak Spanish as their first language, just type it there. All right. Once you finish that, we have our first project. And our project is about those countries where people speak Spanish as their first language. So first thing you're going to do is to click here so you can find out which one is your assigned country. Once you have your assigned country, you're going to read the instructions that I put below. I put everything that you have to do in each one of the pages. It is a Google slideshow. So you're going to create a Google slide presentation with 5 pages. So the page 1, you're going to write your name, the name of the country, the capital, and I will take points off if instructions are not followed. So you see what you have in your page 1. In your page 2, you're going to look for the flag in the internet. You're going to copy and paste a picture of the flag. Please do not forget to give credit to the site where you get it from. Like you may put that somewhere. And on page 3, you're going to find out facts about your assigned country. You're going to find things that are interesting about the country that you have. You're going to read the information about it, and you're going to type 10 things that you find interesting about it. So that goes on your page 3. On your page 4, you're going to find the national symbols. So for example, what the national bird is, or the national flower is, or the national tree, animal, no. You're going to pick 2 of them, and you're going to paste the image and tell me what they are. How do you call them? What the name of the things are. And on page 5, you're going to talk about the important places. So you're going to find 5 important cities or touristic places in the assigned country. You're going to find the images of the place and paste them in the presentation with their names. You're going to submit this here in Canvas, where it says website URL. Don't forget to change the share settings so I can see it. And your work must be submitted on time, must be complete, and as instructed to receive full credit. I put an example here so you can have an idea what I want. I did it on Colombia, and here it is. So you can learn something about Colombia. So I put the example there for you to know. These are important places that there are in Colombia. So that's all that we're doing for today. I hope you can catch up with your work. When we have projects, it's a good time to catch up with work that you are behind. And I'll be working on late work forms if you need to send me something. I'll see you in class. Hasta pronto.